Hi, hi, good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Maharashtra, Mumbai. Nice to meet you. What do you do? Okay, are you working in Maharashtra itself? Okay, I don't do anything. I'm from east part of India, Odisha. Yeah. Have you been Odisha? Wow. Then are you born and raised in Maharashtra? Wow, you are a Mallu guy, right? Yeah. How long have you been working in Maharashtra? Last 13 years. Wow. Then when you go your native place, Kerala. Okay, you want to settle in Maharashtra, right? Okay, do you have voter card, Aadhaar card in Maharashtra? Hmm. Okay, if any election comes, then you go there to cast a vote, right? Mm-hmm. Do you wanna settle in Maharashtra? Do you wanna do you wanna settle in Maharashtra? Okay. Then can you understand Marathi language? Okay. Can you understand Hindi language? Okay. Can you speak Hindi? Okay. Then you are a polyglot. You know several languages. Malayalam, English, Hindi, Marathi. Other than four language, and which language do you know? Wow. Then you know five languages, you can speak five languages, then you are a polyglot. How long have you been using this platform?
Oh, I started using recently only. One of my friend told it's a good application.
Hmm,
We can
right,
learn at the same time. We can, enjoy times and learn many things over here.
right,
Language.
right. We get also language partner, and this type of platform provide English speaking atmosphere also, and we connect with the different state people, country people here, right?
Yes.
Different mentality people also. If we communicate with them, then we can evaluate their mindset also, right?
Sometimes I don't evaluate the mindset of anyone, but like I like to have a friendly talk.
Mm-hmm.
Just to have some
Yeah.
fun at the same time, learn something. Friendly talk it is,
Yeah, I'm
not so
telling.
serious talks.
Yes, yes, I'm telling about that kind of I'm telling about. Evaluate means people sometimes they create a friendly atmosphere while talking, right? And they talk like a good friend, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Then what brings you here?
what brings me here.
Yep.
Yeah, that is
Hmm.
not predictable. We
Hmm.
expect to, like
Hmm.
things don't happen in miserable ways, but
Hmm.
it's not in our hands. But we are trying to be very friendly. At the
Hmm.
same
Hmm.
time,
Hmm. Hmm.
kind of conversations need to be go on.
Yeah,
So
but sometimes we have a motto to use different type of social media, right? Not that kind
yeah,
of.
that is there,
Mm-hmm.
but that without any intention, I'm not using this application because I know
Okay.
it's not going to happen anyways. I
Hmm.
have
Right.
past experience with that also. So,
Okay.
like, I don't
Hmm.
take it that
Hmm.
heavily nowadays. So, I just
Okay.
take it lightly only.
I got your point. Then you have a experience about a free platform, right? People they comes and they go, right?
Ah, yes. Yeah.
Then
There I do have experience over there.
Hmm. Means
So,
I am a language learner. I want to speak better English because I'm Indian. Then I don't have language partner. I don't get English speaking atmosphere. That's why I'm using this platform to create English speaking atmosphere. At least we get chance to talk with them in English, right? That's why I'm using this platform.
yeah, with different people have different motives. Now, some people
Right.
are like, they are just using
Mhm.
this platform
Hmm.
without any kind of intentions. They just
Right.
kill their time. Other trying to just kill others' time. So such
Right.
people, I
Hmm.
just to say goodbye. So at
Hmm.
the same time, some people are very interesting to talk with.
Right.
To deal with their experience, to
Hmm.
spend time,
Hmm. Hmm.
go conversation smoothly. So
Right.
that kind of people I always appreciate.
Hmm. Right.
Always those other people never get to grasp
Hmm.
any place in their life
Right. Right.
because it goes on the same thing which is
Hmm.
you know
Yeah.
never should know.
I got your point. That's why I'm asking means we meet different mindset people here and we connect with them and we learn also from them and we know about that person, right? Then.
If you learn about like
Mhm.
learning from yeah, you can of course learn
Mhm.
things from others. That is there, but get to know about that person is secondary. Like it happens or it doesn't happen, that
Mm-hmm.
doesn't worry.
Yeah,
But getting to learn things are
Mhm.
now that most important.
Right, right. We cannot catch same person always, right? This is a free platform. We don't know which people we connect with them. We talk with them, right? Then we have to miss we know about it because if we get any friendly people then we connect with them easily and we create English speaking atmosphere, otherwise we create a friendly atmosphere while talking with them, right? Apart from this platform, do you use different platform to interact with stranger?
Yes, so that is my again like I have basically like I tried different applications. That's quite common nowadays. It's not a big
Which
question at all.
which platform?
Uh, Joe's talk.
I heard about Joe's stock, but I don't use Joe's stock. That is also English practice.